In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get credits here in BloxStrike on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, the main way to go ahead and do this is actually just by playing matches. This is the free option. So if you just play games just by hitting play, just like so, completing rounds over time, you're going to earn those credits. You can also complete missions or objectives down here for extra credits over here. These reset every single hour, so it's worth doing whenever you have the chance. For example, getting a multi-kill is not that bad, or winning 2 rounds is pretty easy every hour. Now, another option is going to be by going to the store, just like so, where you can, of course, hit credits and buy credits in this section for some Robux. But don't worry, that is not it as well. There's also actually another free method, and that is actually by joining and liking the game for free credits. And of course, you can verify in-game. You can do this just by going to the community or group section, completing the verification if required, and that is it. If you do all these, you can go ahead and earn credits pretty quickly. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.